If you live in a low-lying area along our coast, you're painfully aware the king tides are strong right now. They were a problem this weekend and again this morning, and high tide just hit again a few minutes ago. CBS 4's Hank Tester is live in Fort Lauderdale, keeping an eye on things. Hank.
Well, keeping an eye on things, we can tell you one thing. At 10:13 was the high tide. It came in, and the good news is it really did not go across the streets like it did this morning. And if you look around here, you can see it is already receding. But for the people that are over in this area to my right, this high tide lifting right up at their doorsteps, they're concerned. And this all raises big questions about the future here in South Florida. Let's take a look. The pumps go on. High tide, king tide on the way. Motorists warned there will be floods on the side streets of East Fort Lauderdale. The king tide right on schedule. And for residents, the king tides bring a big dilemma.
We're not going to sell. I don't think anyone would buy over here right now.
And that was part of the discussion earlier this day. Real estate agents, a U.S. congressman, architects, FIU and U of M scientists stepping out of their meeting just off Las Olas, getting very wet in the midst of the morning king tide.
I find almost every week now when I'm showing waterfront properties, buyers ask me directly whether or not the property floods. And so it is going to have an impact.
Global warming causing this exaggerated king tide?
It's been worse the last 3 years. It never did this in the past.
Then this, salt water flooded his car. This kind of damage more prevalent as king tides flood streets, and the king tide news for cars and trucks. If completely submerged in salt water, it's almost certainly going to be written off by the insurance company. And salt water corrodes and fouls electronics. Lots of cars running around the high tide early this day. And what to do with all that king tide water? The salt water is pumped off the streets into the little lake by Betsy Doyle's home. She's not happy.
And they pump it all into this little Sunset Lake instead of pushing it out to the intercoastal.
Well, she's a little happier tonight because it really didn't quite do what we expected it was going to. It's very interesting how this phenomenon works. We can see over here how this boat is riding very, very high, and it's already beginning to move around a little bit as this tide does go out. Comes in quick, goes out quick. That's the very latest. I'm Hank Tester, CBS 4 News. Back to you.
Thank you, Hank.